Make sure to stay until the end. We're going to share a common mistake people make and they end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs they actually do not need. All that will be covered in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick helpful video to any of you guys trying to find fuses, relays for the stop lights, also known as brake lights, on GMC Sierra, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2018. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them. By the way, if you need to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, guys, check it out. That's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. All that information will be shared in the description of the video below. So let's start on it now. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. So the stop lights, also known as brake lights, fuses and relays, let's explain where you can find them. We will demonstrate on that generation GMC Sierra. Most people that own this truck, guys, that GMC Sierra owners, do not know that there will be many hidden fuse boxes all over the GMC Sierra. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Sierra fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, it's a video people told us save them thousands of dollars in repairs. Here we need to go ahead and open the hood. Lucky for us, we're working a fuse box today that's easy to get to, and most people are familiar with that fuse box. Facing the engine now, it's on the right side, on the driver's side here. You have the main engine fuse box, open that cover. Underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly guys why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So here, that fuse box is specifically out of 2018 model. In 2018 they switched to a different design. If you have a 2014 through 17, we'll explain about that as well, make sure to stay until the end. For the stop lights, brake lights, you need to guys check fuse number 28 and 29. Those are very important fuses right here. Also, you may need to check fuse number 38, this fuse here. If you have a 2014 through 2017, you will need to, check fuse 28, 29 and 38. They will be exactly the same guys. Even though the fuse boxes may look different, these fuses will be the same. If you have problems with your stop lights, brake lights, you need to test your brake light switch as well. We have videos on our YouTube channels how to do that as well for any of you needing help with that. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful. So guys, this GMC Sierra has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of relays, and those could be really hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you cannot find a replacement one, you may be stuck because of that. So we recommend guys, okay, to get some spare ones and put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching, see you next time.